All right, finally we got there. Let's get into it. This is the Spino E1. It's a pool bot. It's the first pool bot I've ever reviewed. My mate Cheryl's got a really beautiful pool. We're gonna check out how it goes in that, and many thanks to Mammotion for sending me this. They're also gonna be sending me the new one, which has got the auto dock. We'll be beta testing that one. So we get a beautiful card, nice and simple. You use the QR code to get the app. We have got the power supply. We've got the instruction manual. This is the little hook, and pick up your Spino. It's pretty light. Ta-da! Oh wow, look at that.
Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around. Wow.
We've got the tractor tracks. This is where we recharge it. It seals up. In the back here, you've got the little basket. This thing here is to scrub at the top of the wall, the skim layer. And you can easily just pull this apart to take it off, pull it apart, and then it will come apart for cleaning if you need to. But I don't want to mess with it too much. This is the suction area here, so it goes along, it sucks all the debris up here. So you've got just a bit of a rubber lining there to stop the debris so it gets sucked up. This is the hook up here, and this is your control panel. Yeah, it looks really, really good. What I might... Cheryl's pool is a lovely size, and it is affected by sand and grit because of the area, and it's actually quite complex with its steps in the far corner. I think this will be a great test for it and a great place to learn about what the product's capable of. Cheryl, thank you for letting me help you out with your lawn and your place and everything like that. So,
privileged to have you here, mate.
Okay, thank you very much. Mammotion watch my videos quite intently because I do a lot of stuff there, and they're saying, like, you know, have you got a pool? And I go, no, I don't have a pool. My friend's got a pool. And they said, well, look, we'd really like to help your friend out, and I'd like to help you out. It'd be great if you accept this from us.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for helping us out. We've done a bit of filming, so this is why it's opened up. All right. What really excited me about this video was giving it to somebody who has never had a Mammotion product before and see how they go installing the product. It's all well and great that I say, yes, it's intuitive to use, but watching someone actually do it that's not had a Mammotion product before, that's something that was really special, I think. Cheryl's already downloaded the app. You can open up the back here by pulling this up. You'll notice that's the basket that you get. Lovely, that goes in there. Your charging port's at the back here. That's pretty easy, you just pull that out, charge it up. But obviously you've got to put this back in before you chuck it in the pool. So press and hold, I think, is the thing. I've not done it before. You'll get a noise, hopefully. There it is. Awesome. So you can actually use this without the app. There's the floor. You can just press this and go through the wall, press it again, eco, or you can press it down to all. So if you're not into your app, Barry, you know, you go, oh, Cheryl's got the thing. You can actually just use this, hit all, and then put it in the pool, and it'll do everything. And you've connected it up already. Yep. All smart. So now you've got a little red dot here. Yep. Press that.
Does it need to upgrade?
Yep, one tap upgrade. There it is. Yep. So it'll upgrade. So that'll take a little while, depending on your network settings. Swing this around. Shouldn't affect the download. Yep, these turn around, and you can actually pull these off and clean them, or if they get damaged or anything like that. See, you can pull them off that bit there. Yep. And look at that. This is all ready to go now. Go reconnect, click floor. So now we put this in the water. Yep.
We throw it in, or what do we do?
You can just place it in like that. You can throw it in, but yeah, I just place it. Now, admittedly, I haven't used a Poolbot myself, and this was a first experience for me as well. But learning together was a great experience. See that sound? That's sensing that it's in the water. Down it goes. And what it will do is it will map the area itself. So it might muck around for a little bit, but then it will start operating and sucking it all in. So this was a new experience for us, and seeing it do that first line was just amazing. Just how much it made a clean line. Fantastic. You can see the clean line.
Look at that.
Look at that. Wow.
That is so good.
That is. I'm going to risk it for the biscuit and put this underneath the water. So this is an early test, it's not an exhaustive test. I mean, she's only got a bit of sand and a few leaves. We've got to test some other things in it as well, but look, this is doing so well already. First impressions are very good. Jeez, look how sharp that is. That's really, really good. It's like a cylinder mower. Look at him go. Seeing it being used in floor mode, it was just methodical. It knew where it was. It mapped out quite a nice area for itself, obviously, and it just went to work. It went up the wall a little bit just to do whatever it was doing there and then go back down and get into it, but nice and methodical, just like their mower products. That's it. All right, it'll sense that it's out of the water. Let's see what we've picked up. It's only done a couple of lines. Look at all those quick couple of runs. What we'll do now is we'll click it to all. Now you've got it to all, put it in the water. But 99 times out of 100, you're just going to hit all and let it do its thing. Now a lot of walls in Cheryl's pool got like this weird little ridge, so it's going to be interesting to see how this tackles it. Geez, went up that ridge, and that's scrubbing the skim line. And it picked up a fair bit of the rubbish in that gap. So there you go. It's going to do it. It's going to do it. Up it comes. Oh, that is so good. Look at the ledge. So that is just so much cleaner from what that was. Going up all the different levels of steps was also something that I was very interested to see if it did this, and it actually did. It mapped out most of it and got most of it. And okay, we didn't have the whole day to sit around and watch this Poolbot in action. The report I got back from Cheryl was it mostly did everything. It did all the walls very well. It did the floor extremely well, and it only missed a few little bits. There's a fair bit in the basket, and it's just done a wonderful job first off. And that's just one time. I mean, now we have to see how it's going to go in the future. Also, another thing Cheryl mentioned is that when it's finished, it'll tell you and it'll float to the top ready to be taken by the hook or via hand. How fantastic. The unboxing, well, Mammotion are the masters of boxing up their stuff. It was all very neat. It's a nice and pleasant unboxing, as it always is with Mammotion. I think the first impression of the Poolbot is that it is very, very well made. The materials are fantastic. It seems like a really solid build and will be very reliable going forward. The thing that really impressed me the most is a new user and their experience and how easy it was for them. Cheryl just picked it up. No problems for Cheryl at all. Downloading the app from the card that is supplied in the box. No problem making an account, and no problem adding the bot to her account and operating it wasn't a problem either. And look, I know I'm talking from a first time experience using a Poolbot and first time experience seeing it in a pool, but it was all very good in my opinion. The thing that really impressed me the most is a new user and their experience and how easy it was for them. Cheryl just picked it up. She basically had it nailed. Maybe she did some study as well, I'm not sure. What I'm really also excited about is that we're going to be a beta tester of the new Spino E1 Pro which is the one that has the cradle going in and out. That is going to be super interesting. So they're going to be sending that to us in the next week or so, and we'll be beta testing that at Cheryl's pool as well. Thank you very much, Cheryl. I think if you're in the market for a Poolbot, this is a fantastic choice, that's for sure, and well worth a look. Look, if you've got something out of today's video, be sure to like, subscribe and do all that. It helps me grow. We'll get your lawn on and we'll get you cool in the pool as well. Catch you later.
Get your lawn on.